Hi, I am Pooja. My topic is deep learning under the guidance of Professor Bhavya G. Deep learning is a form of machine learning that teaches computer to do its work by its own experience to identify the objects just like our brain. Deep learning is also known as deep structured learning or hierarchical learning. It is a part of machine learning method based on learning data representation as opposed to task specific algorithm. The learning can be here supervised, semi-supervised or unsupervised. Deep learning process will take input raw data through a deep neural network and will give us a proper output with its experience or by its training, which is similar just like our brain, which has the capability to take all the raw data and express it with its experience. Deep learning provides more accurate and faster process because of its sophisticated and self-learning capability. It has been used in various fields such as image processing, pattern recognition, image computer vision, computer games, robotics, self-driving cars, computer games, computer hallucination, weather prediction, sound recognition, etc. Nowadays, we can see its application in each and every fields. Self-learning based deep learning is used in automating features engineering and relying on local proximity for extracting higher order patterns. Deep learning is concerned with algorithm inspired by the structure and function of the brain called artificial neural network. Basically, a machine consists of set of algorithm which converts input to a proper output, and ANN here ANN help us to process creatively with more accuracy and speed. Deep learning is the fastest growing field in machine learning. It provides most accuracy and faster processing. Hence, all this leads to motivated me in order to take this topic. Deep learning is specific kind of machine learning. In order to understand machine learning, it's necessary for us to know what is deep learning. Deep learning algorithm help us to extract higher level computed data through hierarchical processing. Deep learning algorithm extract high-level complex abstraction as data representation through a hierarchical learning process. Key benefit of deep learning is analysis and learning of massive amount of unsupervised data and making it a valuable tool for big data analytics where raw data is largely unlabeled and uncategorized. Now, difference between deep learning and machine learning. Though deep learning is a form of machine learning, there is some difference between machine learning and deep learning. Easiest way to think of their relationship is visualize them as a concentric circles with AI, the idea which come first, the largest, then machine learning which blossomed later, and finally the deep learning which is deriving today's artificial network. Artificial intelligence is further and it is a scientific fiction. It's already part of our everyday life. Machine learning, here we train our machine using large amount of data in order to perform a task. We use algorithm to pass data and from then make a determination or prediction about something in the world. So rather hand coding software with specific set of instruction perform particular task. Artificial intelligence algorithms includes decision tree, inductive logic programming, clustering, etc. Machine learning is an approach to achieve artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a practice of use of algorithm to pass the data and in order to make some prediction. Deep learning is a technique for implementing the machine learning. Deep learning has enabled many practical application of machine learning, which is the extension of overall field of artificial intelligence. Deep learning breaks down tasks in ways that makes all kinds of machine assist seem possible, even likely, such as driverless car, better preventive of healthcare, even better movie recommendation, etc. Traditional machine learning algorithms are linear, deep learning algorithms are stacked in a hierarchy. Here we can see the main difference between machine learning and deep learning. In machine learning, we follow some 5 steps. They are: the first step is to identify the relevant data set and prepare them for analysis. And next step is to choose a correct type of machine learning algorithm. In machine learning, there are several types. And third step is build analytical model for the chosen algorithm. And fourth step, train the model on the basis of our data set and revise it for the accuracy. And the last final step is to run the model in order to generate the proper output. Whereas deep learning is also follow some 5 steps. They are: first step is to understand the problem, whether deep learning fit for it or not. Second step is to identify the relevant data set and perform the analysis. Third step, to choose the proper types of deep learning algorithm. In deep learning, there are 4 types of algorithms. They are deep Boltzmann machine, deep belief network, convolution neural network, and stacked autoencoder. And fourth step, to train algorithm on a large amount of data. And the final step is to test model performance against unlabeled data. Application of deep learning technology. There are many different applications, and some other applications are such as in the fields of robotics. Robots reacts to people pushing them. They also get up when they fall, and can also take care of their own tasks like unloading the dishwashers, etc. Deep learning even used in voice recognition, like system created today are used to mimic the human voice. And they are also used in music composition, prediction of election votes, prediction of natural calamities such as earthquakes, etc. Cybercrime can also be controlled by using deep learning. Deep learning is also useful in airport security, like spotting some malicious or illegal activity around the place. The most popular of deep learning is to deep learning tool is to translate the word or sentences from one language to other languages. And the best use of deep learning is a driverless car. Deep learning is also used in big data analytics and all. And they are also used for scalability of models and distributed computing. Why deep learning? Because traditional techniques are linear, where it's compulsory for us to process and check each data, which decrease its performance as the number of data increases, whereas deep learning algorithm is stacked in hierarchy. But there are some disadvantages of deep learning. They take a lot of time and data in order to compute, and they are expensive, and they take a lot of memory to execute. You never know when to quit when training a neural network is done. There is no theoretical foundation for neural network. They do not generalize well. Like, if you train a driverless car for a sunny day, you can't use the same technique during the rainy day. It may fail. And these are the references which I used. Thank you.